Boil 2 bags of Samyang buldak hot chicken flavor ramen curry. Drain the noodles and add half the bag of sauce. Mix it well. Pan fry half an onion cut in chunky pieces. Add a handful of shredded carrot and cabbage. When it's cooked, put it in a bowl with the noodles. Melt 20 grams of butter. Add 30 grams of flour. Add 100 ml of water. Add 100 ml of water mixed with the rest of the bag with sauce. Scoop the thick sauce on top of the noodles and mix well. Line a baking tray with plastic wrap and add the noodles. Cover the top part with plastic wrap too and place it in the fridge for 1 hour. After it has hardened, you can cut it in small squares or large squares, or both. Make sure that you've cut through as the vegetables are a bit hard. Cover the pieces of noodles with a thin layer of flour. Next, a layer of egg white. And the last step is a layer of panko crumbs. To be on the safe side, I covered it with another layer of egg white and panko crumbs. Fry them in hot oil until they turn golden brown.
Lumak. Sakit lihat tak lah.